What do Drumnadrochit, Achiltibui and Balachulish all have in common? Is it that they sound like you've asked AI to come up with the most Scottish sounding place names ever? Is it that they use way too many letters and are difficult to spell even for a native? It's that they all come to us from Gaelic. Surprise, surprise! Starting with Balachulish. Any Scottish place name you know, by the way, that has Bal in it likely originates from Gaelic, because Bala in the language means town, township or village. So Balachulish, its original name was Bala-Ichulish, meaning town off the narrows. Next up, probably my favourite one to say, Drumnadrochit, which is almost a direct copy of the Gaelic Draim na Drochit, which means the ridge of the bridge. Funnily enough, this settlement grew around a bridge over the River Enric, which flows into Loch Ness, Draim na Drochit, and it also features in an animated Scooby-Doo movie. Welcome to Drumnadrochit. Lastly for now is Achiltibui, which is near Ullapool on the west coast. On Gaelic, it's Ach Ilia Vuya, which means field of the yellow-haired boy. I'm sure there's a great story behind that, but we can't ask anyone because, well, they're all dead and they didn't have TikTok. Seriously.